Dear student of Lubnus Academy, class 10th. Today we are just going to start exercise 1.2, question number 6. In previous classes, I have learned about question number first, second, and question number third, in which you have to find out the factor. फैक्टर्स के बारे में आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे पढ़ना था स्टूडेंट। अभी इसमें हम देखेंगे कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is equal to the 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. How you can define that it is a composite number or it is a prime number? In previous classes, I have also explained about the composite number and the prime number. Composite number are those number which has more than the more factor as itself and one. And in prime number, just we can say that it has the no factor except one and itself. Just in a question, if you are looking here, this 7, 11, 13 and this 13. All are the prime numbers because it has the no any other factors. But if you are solving this 13 and this 13 are the common numbers between both terms. If you take common of this 13, we are getting that 7 into 11 plus 1. Solve it further, we get 77 plus 1. Next step, if we are solving, we get 78. Student, now 13 is a prime number because it has the no other factor except 1 and 13. But if you are taking in this 78 as a number, it can be expressed as 2 into the 2 3 is 6 into 13. If you are multiply 2 to 3, it comes 6 and 36 is 17. So hence 78 has the just 3 factor, 2, 3, 13 itself, 78 and 1. So just now we can say that this is a composite number. And स्टूडेंट इसी क्लास में हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा कंपोजिट नंबर और प्राइम नंबर के अलावा एक को प्राइम नंबर एक ऐसा नंबर होता है उसका हम लोगों को समझना है कि व्हाट इज द को प्राइम नंबर. इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स बिकॉज व्हेन वी विल प्रूव √3 और √5 or √7 is a rational or irrational. For the solving or defining the √3, √5, √7 as a irrational, we need the definition of the co-prime factor, co-prime number, co-prime number. Co-prime number is co-prime numbers are the numbers which have the some common factor. For example, if you are taking 11 and 13 and just we are going to factorize this 11 and 13, we are getting 1 and 11 and we are getting 1 and 13. Only there is the 1 and 11 and 1 and 13 is the factor of this 11 and 13. 1 is common here, 1 is common here, but it is not a such type of the factors which is taken as a common factor, because 1 is available everywhere. Every number we are writing, 1 is mentioned with that. But if you are taking 11 and 13 and multiply this number by 2 and multiply this number by also 2, we are getting 22 and 26. Now this 22 and 26 are the co-prime number. Why these are the co-prime number? Because if we are taking the factor of the 22, we are getting 11 into 2. And if we are taking the factor of the 26, we are getting 13 into 2. Here is the 2. This factor is the common between 22 and 26. Hence we can just say that this is the co-prime number which has a common factor at least one, that is the 2. This co-prime number is just give you the expression of how we can define that the root 3, root 5 and root 7 is a irrational number. In next class I will detail this. Thank you.